Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova and welcome in Study with Nova. So today we will make it very easy if we just using loop for loop, not using and print one by one like before, like the questions before. But yeah. So the first one, we try to read all of the question. Now that you know that how to look through a dictionary, to look through, clean up the code from exercise 630 by replacing what the meaning? Replacing your series of print statement with loop and the Tron dictionary and key and values. Make sure when you're sure that your loops work, add 5 more Python terms to your glossary. I just wanna add the second. When you run your programming, these new words and meaning should automatically be included in the output. So I just using that the same dictionary. This is the glossary. I don't add 5 what do you mean? 5 more Python's term in your glossary. Yeah, we're just using this. So you make sure that using 4K and 3. The first one is how to make it easier for us to solve this problem, just to print the dictionaries. So you just using the for and then the k and the value. The meaning is the k, this is the k, and the value is all. So for k and value in what the meaning in glossary, and don't forget to add the items set like very few of the items, yeah, the items. And then what the meaning print k, maybe it is just like example. Is it true that k is variable, just like Python 3? And then what's the meaning 64 sorry to edit p, is it okay? So if you want print k, you saw that the k is the variable, the first one. And if you pin the value, that meaning k, and you expect that then all of this. No, why it is not true? Oh, because okay, I know. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. I think I missed something. Control S, don't forget to save, and then yeah, you get a variable, and then you get the print value one by one, name, location, and the data store, blah 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 blah. So it's work. So I want to make the glossary and the k and the value in just one sentence, not in the others others part. So you must delete this and just add print f, and then using k, then this is, and then just using the meaning value, easy. Then yeah, you can get just one sentence every glossary, just like this. I did. Oh, so done. It's very easy. Let's compare to this. You must make a variable one by one, that the variable meaning the word, and then you add the word, and that you print one by one. It is like, yeah, it's not very easy. It's very easy, just using for k and value in glossary item, and then done. You get all of the output will be your expected. Done. And don't forget to add to your terminal, your GitHub. Git add Python cross, and then git, I forget. I control S. Sorry. Then git commit min m and what this is glossary part 2. And then git push my origin. Okay, done. Let's try another question. I think it is more interesting question, right? Bye.